Getting pulled in, stripped down, and repurposed. We are about to begin our game of musical ram chargers. Been watching and paying attention. We have quite a bit of them out here. Whoa! We don't have a way to steer it. Slowly. Slowly. Whoa.
It's gonna hit you. Better hit me than the ram charger. Hammer comes faster.
Transfer case, transmission, and motor all on one pole. She's out of there.
Whoa!
We got the first chassis, the chassis that we're actually going to use, pulled in. We got the motor pulled in, and now it's down to this. We're getting the frame cleaned up. I mean, that versus coming along, and then I think that's the body going on. Got this ram charger frame, stripped it down yesterday, got it all ready for this drivetrain and body. Windshield's broke.
I was like, cringe.
Let the dismantling begin. It's just in, not a real ram charger frame.
Regardless of level, we don't have to put a block on either end.
Okay.
Now look at this one in here. You know what? It changed them. Wow.
If they change the frame, is this body gonna fit on this new frame?
Question. Oh, that's all level, so it goes to the back. Where the mouth was. I never
Yeah, or either rounding it really nice or it's turning. It's turning. Heavier than it looks. Power. 40% more electrolytes than the leading competitor sports drink. Pretty sure it's Gatorade. How long are you gonna keep saying this? Can we get a sponsorship by Powerade? I don't ever see anybody drinking Powerade.
Yeah, that's true. And that actually wasn't, I think I might have liked that more than Gatorade. Whoa!
Hold on!
So, keep taking the drive shaft down? You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Whoa!
You know what? This transfer case has never been engaged. Ain't no lever.
The transfer case looks brand new.
I got a brand new one on the bench on
This one looks brand new. This one probably
The
looks
fluid
newer than the
looks
one.
brand new.
It's getting harder to move again. Snap it. Same as the other one. Whoa!
You're supposed to hold on to it.
It just got blowtorched. Oh. You grab it.
You got gloves.
Oh, you going that far out? I thought you was going to the inside.
What?
I thought you was going to the inside.
Body off and then sitting around getting the engine in it. And
No, put the engine in there. Yeah, definitely got it.
Bagheera!
AC and everything. Holy. Yeah, you should be able to.
Me plus 2 tires and a Dylan equals about the same as a motor. We're bouncing over here.
Coming off the ground?
No, but I can feel it wanting to.
Yeah, I can feel it bouncing too.
It's on the jack.
Go off.
Just trying to be helpful.
I can careful. You're not on this.
I had my weight on it. I was multitasking.
Okay, push slowly.
Dad, you're the only one that can really push.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Whoa. Just stop. Sit. Go Dylan's way with the cherry picker.
We only about flipped the cherry picker twice, so I feel like that's a success. Slowly but surely, she's coming along. These videos take way longer to do. We only have the weekends, and this is way harder than destroying.
We got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, that's stomach show count.
Dustin, you gotta get the front.
I'm staying right where I'm at.
I guess
Dustin, we need you right here.
You and Adam go there and hope for the best. Alright, hold on.
I'm not getting the clear.
We're not clearing the tires. Just leave it on the tire.
Yeah, just set it on.
It rolled off.
Get that high?
No.
It ain't
And
gonna.
we still gotta lift it up to get it on that one.
Well, that's once, not twice. If we get halfway and drop this, we're gonna ruin it.
Well, that's why you gotta set it down nicely.
How'd you guys feel on your side?
Sketchy. Heavy.
I was on the same side
heavy,
as you.
and I don't, because I was fully extended like this. So I don't foresee us getting much higher up over those wheels.
I couldn't do
After we get the tires off, let's roll this right to it.
You just ripped the foam thing down.
Yeah, that's
Another squat. How do you think this is gonna go?
Okay, let's just go a little bit at a time. We'll get the back on the back tires and take a break.
You think we got the muscle distributed?
Oh my God!
Okay, stop. Here we go.
I don't know, but I'm.
Well, come down.
Heavy.
1, 2, I go. All the way to the front.
Go!
Whoa, I can't see. Take down slow. On your fingers. You good, Dave?
We gotta go that way a little.
Yeah, it's about falling off over here.
Are we going forward or are we? Yeah, we only got a few inches.
How's the back?
We're a couple inches away on this.
Yeah, we
one
need to
side,
fix
too.
the back.
We need to come this way a little
Oh
bit.
yeah, big time.
Grab a hold.
Still needs to go forward about 3 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
it
of
looks
us
are we straight.
lined up. But.
Straight?
Straight enough.
We might be a little too far this way now, but let's just go forward. Ready?
Ready?
Go!
My hole's lined up here.
Oh, we're there.
My hole's lined up.
We need
Yeah,
to
we're
go
about-
down.
Oh,
Now, when he jumps it up, he goes to...
Because trying to get those.
That should work now.